In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the transmission output speed sensor on this Nissan Pathfinder. This sits on the transmission right above the driver's side CV axle, so let's get started. This sensor is easily accessible through the wheel well. If you just turn the wheel to the right, it'll give you enough access. I'm going to reach in here and unplug the electrical connector, pull that aside, and then with a 10mm socket, I'm going to remove the bolt that secures and locks this sensor in place. Pull this out. Now you can take the sensor, wiggle it back and forth. There's an O-ring, and that's basically what's holding it up, preventing it from sliding out. If you twist it, you should be able to kind of break it free. If it really is stuck in there, you can take a little screwdriver, flathead, and just pry on it very, very gently, just enough for it to break free and pop out. There we go. If that happens to you, we'll have to extract this piece that is stuck in the transmission. Take some small needle nose pliers and very gently try to pull this sleeve out. This is just the plastic sleeve, or casing, I guess, of the sensor. As you can see, it does want to slide in and out, but it has an O-ring, which is preventing it from sliding out. The O-ring is stuck. I'm going to try to avoid spraying rust penetrant in there because I don't want to get it inside the transmission, although if I have to, I will. I also don't want to break this sleeve. Making progress. There we go. The more you pull it up, there we go. I was going to say, the more you pull it out, the more you can grab onto it. So that's out. Well, there's the rest of our sensor. So take that out. Let's inspect the mounting hole, make sure it's clean. I'm just going to take a rag and wipe this area off. There should not be any fluid leaking out of here. If there is, it's probably over full. Now to install the new sensor, you can put a little bit of oil or transmission fluid on the O-ring to help it slide in better. Line it up, press it in until it clicks. There we go. Now we can get that bolt back in. Take your ratchet and snug it up. Now, once it bottoms out and gets snug like this, just give it a little extra. That's all you need. You don't want to break it off and then you'll have to drill it out of there. And that's not fun. Now connect the electrical connector until it clicks, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.